Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kiyanna and I hope you are having a fabulous day. I am priming my eyes with my ColourPop concealer and then I'm just going to blend this out. This is just so my colors pop even more, and yeah, it's just priming the eyes. And I'm going in with Roxanne in the Jaclyn Hill palette and I am just putting this all over. This is going to be my transition shade. I'm just sweeping Roxanne above the crease, and I would describe the shade as kind of like a pinky orange but neutral tone, and I'm just doing this in windshield wiper motions until it's all blended out so that when we put the colors on, everything blends in better. I'm using Enchanted, and this is a very dark, I would describe it as a gray kind of black color. It's like an ashy black, more of a gray tone, and it's really pretty. I'm just putting this on the inner and outer corners of my eyelid. This is going to create the definition and make my eyes look even bigger. I'm packing this color on so that when I blend it out, it doesn't diffuse, and so that it just becomes one with the eyelid. And now I'm taking this blending brush and I'm blending that color. Blend, baby, blend. I am blending windshield wiper motions until everything just looks blended out and even. I mean, how many times can I say blended? But that's what I'm doing here. I'm just creating a look to where it's very smoky and everything just looks blended. Now I'm taking in Light in the same palette and I'm going to be putting this on my brow bone, and then I'm going to be blending it out. Shades like this typically don't look good underneath my brow bone, so I need to make sure that I blend it out well, but I like it because it gives that highlight effect right underneath the brow bone. And once I blend it in, you can see it just becomes like this really pretty, and it's like this gradient type effect because the transition color really is going to diffuse a lot of the color. Now I'm taking Diva, and Diva is a diva. This is Bright and the star of the show. I literally dipped my finger into this color one time, and this is the color payoff it gave me. The whole palette is gorgeous, but the shimmery shades in this palette are absolutely stunning. I know that Jaclyn Hill said that they were pressed differently, and they absolutely are. If you just like look at it and you feel it, you can tell it's different. They're super buttery and just all around great shades. I'm just blending everything in so that there's no harsh lines. Now I'm taking Enchanted and I'm putting this in the lower lash line, and I'm being sure to connect the lower end of the line to the upper part so that it's blended. You can kind of see here where I'm just making sure I'm going all the way out to make sure that it's blended. Now Diva is giving us a little bit of a hard time. There was a little bit of kickback, so I'm just dusting that off, and then I am putting this dark black liner in my waterline. I'm going in with L'Oreal Telescopic and black, and I'm just doing my lashes how I normally do. I'm doing the top lash, and then I'm going to be putting my KOKO lashes in Stella, and I'm just going to put that on. For some reason I put on lashes very easily. I think it's because the band is thick. I know for some people they find a thin band to be more helpful, but I don't know. It just works for me. Now I'm just putting this light shade in my inner corner and doing my bottom lashes, and this is the final look, beauties. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Have a fabulous day. Bye, beauties.